All of us become bored at some point in the week, whether we're driving somewhere, maybe to Wichita for an hour, or we're going on the weekend, we're busy at home or not busy at home. We each find ourselves looking for something to do. One of those ways is to create some little friendship bracelet keychain like so. And this can help whether you're trying to waste time or even make money, because according to my friends, it's at popular demand right now. I know some of you go to church, so you know how to make like the basic friendship bracelets and stuff, but this one's a little larger scale, as you can see, and a little more complex. So today I will teach you the 3 steps on how to prepare the string, execute the knots, and finish out the connection. Girl or boy, it doesn't matter. You can each do one of these. For our preparation of the string, you can do different types of colors or different kinds of string. There's like friendship thread or embroidery floss, which is what I have here. And you can choose, I like to choose up to 8 colors because it is the easiest to work with. But today I have 3 for the sake of time, red, white, and blue. So as you start to cut the string, a good length would just be kind of your wingspan, because it gives you enough room for air at the end, and then you can just cut it. You want 4 strands of each color, so you can put 2 on each side. I have red, red, white, white, blue, blue. And then as you are organizing it, you want to make sure from left to right you go the color order you want. So if you want red, white, blue, then your next section will be blue, white, and red. So the reds can come together, the whites can come together, and the blues. So at the end, as you finish preparing your string, you're going to keep the same order with your fingers. Try and keep it in the same order. And then you will bring it together and simply just tie a knot, making sure you leave room at the end I like to tie it around my water bottle because it's simple to use. So after you prepare the string, the next would be to execute the knots. And usually I would sit down and hold the water bottle or something, but since I can't stand to do it, I don't have Mary hold it. So as you're executing the knots, this one we do have 8 colors. So as you're starting from left to right, we're going to use a basic 4 knot. And what you do is, since we're on the light blue color, you're going to create a 4. And as you can see, it makes a 4 like that. And you come underneath, strengthen it out, and pull. And you do that twice. And then you got that color of knot. And then you would go right to the next color, which is purple. And you do the same 4 knots again. And do it twice. And as you go along that row, you will get to this half of the section. And like I said, on the other side, there's another blue, and we will use a backwards 4 knot, which you make a 4, but it is simply backwards, like I said. And then you pull through, do that twice, like so, and then you do the next color, along the purple, backwards 4 knot, backwards 4 knot. And basically you can see, thank you, Mary, as this is the bulk of the keychain that you can see, so that's what is going to take the most time. And your basic 4 knot is everything you're going to use for this. A good size would be about 4 inches for each side, so you need to get about 8 inches and knot each end. After you've executed the knots, the final part would be to make the final connection, and that is the easiest part, but without it you don't have a keychain. So you need what is called a key fob clip, and what you will do is you'll basically tuck the ends into the key fob clip, and then you can use a pair of pliers or a sledgehammer, and you can pound this onto the keychain, and then you have your keychain right there. And this is the best way to make it durable and long-lasting. So hopefully I have taught you something today about making keychains, and through the preparation of string, execution of knots, and the final connection. And so now your boredness can be turned into craftiness.